welcome back guys to my YouTube channel, that is Rahul Techno Creativity. In this channel we learn about QBasic and coding SSLs, and today's topic is HTML. So what is HTML? What is the code in HTML? What is HTML required for? Everything I will tell you in this video. Let's start with the video. So what is HTML? HTML means hypertext markup language. For example, I open Google Chrome. It will show a website page. It's so opening. See, the page has been opened. The opened page has many things. Let's inspect it. Here are basic elements that are required to make the HTML. HTML is required for everything, I think, but this is a web page, and web page is the main example or the basic example of HTML. This is the HTML process, and the code is given here. So you if you have time, if you want to know about HTML, then you can go and search here. Okay, you just right click and inspect. Okay, so I will close this now. I have shown the example now. So what is HTML? How to do HTML? I will tell you. So let's start. So HTML, I have shown you the example or the basic example of the HTML. Now what is HTML? How to do HTML in a basic or a easy process? I have made a note with it. Let's see with it. Yes, this is the HTML code. It is a very simple HTML code. It is not the very in a confusing way or in a very pathetic way. No, it is a very simple HTML. If you are an expert, if we become expert, then we can build a form, a website or a web page. So we have to save it. Okay, so where you will save it, I will show with example. Let's see with it now. As I have made an HTML, see, I have written the uses of HTML. Okay, this is the new text document, and I have written the HTML head, title, HTML/title. This is all the basic. I will tell you, but this is an example only. Okay, so I will tell you what you will do in HTML. So I will close this page and again build a new text document. Okay, so here is our text document. I will open it and write some few codes over here. So first we have to write, that is HTML. First we have to write now. I have written in HTML. Now many questions are arising in your mind, that I have to write the code in caps. And in the previous video, basic video, I told you that we have to write all the letters in caps. But yes, we have to add in caps. I now recognize you that these all letters are written in caps. If you don't write in caps, letter may be wrong. It is not necessary. You can write in also small letters, but my recommendation is you should use caps to write all the HTML code. So let's start with it. If any special case or anything you are writing in the body line, then you can write in small cases. It is upon your choice. So in a very simple way I am writing. Okay, so I will write head. Okay, head means HTML means a document that I am presenting with you. So after that we have to write head, and these two brackets are very important. If you don't give these two brackets, the input will not compile and give the correct output. It will give a wrong output. So my recommendation is use head also. Okay, by giving the head you can use anything. Means head means I will show you when I will compile, I will show you the head also. Now title. Title is very important thing to know HTML in a very compact way. Okay, so I will write my HTML document. Okay, see, I am writing in caps. I can also write in small letters, but it's my choice that I will write in caps. It is your choice also. Okay, you can write in caps. Okay. So I have written HTML document on Linux. Okay, so I've written my HTML document on headings. Okay, then the slash title. We have to close the title. It is a very important thing. You don't think that we have to close title only. We have to close head, HTML also. So I will close head also. Okay, so I have to close head as the heading is complete. Heading means the title. This is the heading part. Okay, this is also an HTML. I want to see that there is no inspection in this. This is a heading. Okay, and one thing I want to tell you, the headings can also be located in upper, always in upper side. Now, so now where you will write HTML, it is not a notepad. It is not necessary to write in notepad. You can write in editor also. Different editors you can download from Chrome. But my recommendation is a very simple way in notepad. So I will write again slash head. Okay, please leave I will close head also. Head, closed head. Close the head also. Now body part is very important. Body means you can understand from body or that yes, you have to. Body means you are understanding from the line that yes, body means writing anything, any string, any information. So I will write in ordered way. I will write. Okay, I will not give any color or anything. It is a very simple way. So what is H1? H1 means heading 1. It is a type of font used here. It is very small or very big also. It can be H1 means very small, H2 means very big. You can write in this way also. So I will write my name is Rahul. My name is Rahul. So why you will think that yes, I am writing my name is Rahul in caps letter, but top my name is Rahul can be written in small letter also. It's your I told you earlier. So I will close H2. Okay, we have to don't give any don't have to give any space while writing H2. It is written immediately. Okay, so my text is now complete. Okay, I am reading H1. This is a very what to say, nothing to say, but now I am closing my body. Okay, it is not happening. Now I am closing my body. My body is being closed. Now I will close up my HTML and my document also. Okay, so I will save. Now where to save? It is a very important thing to so how will you save? You can give any file name, but you have to give .html because while you are writing your Google ID, such as I am writing my ID Rahul Shah @gmail, anything. No, after Gmail you have to .com because .com means communication, but here I am communicating with HTML, so I will write HTML. So I will give Rahul sh.html. Okay, I will not give text because it will now print in text. Okay, so I will write in all files and I will save. Now my it is saved. Rahul is now coming. See, my name is Rahul is being printed. Now what is I was telling what is heading and title. Now see, it is a heading and title. You can see here my HTML document on headings. So this is a simple way. Don't worry guys, I will again come with a new video on HTML about forms and background colors and fonts. Don't worry, this is a simple way. Okay, but a very important thing, don't forget to give like and subscribe my channel, as it is a very important thing, because I have having very low channels. Please subscribe it, because I get encouraged when you subscribe it. I got encouraged when you like it, so I can make next videos. Okay, please guys, please. Okay, so I'm ending my video. Stay safe during the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, it is a very important thing. It is a very important, what to say, text that I was forgetting. The COVID-19 is spreading very rapidly, so you stay safe, and also comment your queries in comment section. I also read. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks.